In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva to create a really cool email signature. So our district, we all have, every single one of us has a free Canva account. You can find your Canva account by going to the Google waffle and scroll way down, and then you'll find Canva right there. And if you happen to have another account, so I have two accounts, so I have Washington Local, and then I could switch it to Sarah Hoffman's team. So I have two accounts. I'm just going to search teacher email signature. And we have all of these nice options. And just scroll through, there are so many. There are so very many. So I like this one. So here's the email signature template that I'm going to use. I just grabbed one. Right here, this is beige hand-drawn watercolor personal email signature. I'm just going to delete all of that and just have it say email signature. So very similar to Google Docs, where you just go in and you change the name of whatever you're doing. Okay, so first thing I want to swap out this picture of her and add a picture of me. So over here, once you're in a project, here are things that I have uploaded. So if I click on this, I've uploaded the logos and different things. So here is my, here's a picture of me. And so I am going to just drag and see how when I drop it over there, it swaps out my picture with the one that was there before. Then you just go in and change the information. And now notice how that put it on two different lines. You can grab this text box and just stretch it out a little bit so it will fit all on one. And I can go in, if I don't like the color of that text, I can go in and change the text color and everything. But really, I like this, so I'm just going to change this information to reflect my job. Now, what I would suggest in your email is to have your name, obviously, your building, your grade level, your position, your phone number, and any other information that will help. Because a lot of times I'll get an email from a teacher and there's no signature, and I don't know what grade they're teaching. I don't know what building they're at, and it makes it very difficult and a little awkward because I go back, forth. Now I can also add my level 1 and level 2 certification. I'm going to add my level 2 certification. See how there, that looks better. I'm going to do that to the other one. I'm going to delete that one. It's a little touchy here. There we go. So you got to play around with it. But if you're just using their templates, it's a lot easier because you just drag and drop and you can replace the image. I think that looks like the same size. Let's see, there we go. And then once you have it just the way you want it, is you can then click on share and you're going to download it. And PNG is perfect. I'm going to click download. And then I'm going to save it. Email signature, save. So now here's my email, and I'm going to go to the settings. This is what I went over in the other video too, but I'll go through it again. So see all settings. And then I'm going to scroll down to my signature. I'm going to create a new one because I don't want to delete that one. I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to call it photo signature. Signature, did I spell it right? Yeah, okay. And then I'm going to create, and then because all I have is an image, I'm going to click on that image, insert image, and I'm going to upload it, select from file, there it is. I can either double click or I can just click upload, and let's see how that looks. So that looks pretty good. All right, you do have to click save, definitely hit save. And then I'm going to send an email to myself. Oh, but look, it still has my other signature. So the way that I can change it right in here, I'm glad this happened so you guys can see. So if you have two signatures, I can go down here to signature and see where it says no signature, my signature, or photo signature. I could switch it to photo signature, and that is what that photo signature looks like. All right, so that is how you create a email signature with Canva. Have a great day.